Right. If you see here, next level of the training that is called as level 7. What is its title? NLU, Natural Language Understanding. NLP, Natural Language Process. Next is what? Text mining, like sentiment analysis, Twitter sentiment analysis, or Facebook, anything. All will be coming under this level. Now, as part of this one, you can see different concepts are available like regular expressions, tokenizations, advanced tokenizations, word length, counts, text-free processing, GenSim, SPACY, multilingual, multi-languages, and finally, we are doing the fake news classifier. What is fake news classifier? Let us go and try to observe it. If I see here, we are going to see end of the day, I'll give one paragraph. Mission has to do that is fake news or it is a genuine news. It has to tell that one. For this, I am doing some kind of process. I am doing it. At the end of this one, if I given one article that is really fake, or that is a real news, or there is a fake news, it has to tell. I'll cut some newspaper, some article. I'll take the scan of that one. I'll upload that one. There is a OCR concept that will convert the image into the text. That text will be input for the mission. Mission has to tell that one it's a fake news or it's a genuine news. Everything has to happen like that.
Can OCR be done through Python?
Yeah, OCR can be done through Python. Optical character recognition we have in the Python also. So using TestAct, OCN with Python like that. We have a number of modules. This is one of the module. In fact, we have a number of modules like that. Okay. Now we did the NLU, NLP test analytics. Let us say, what next? We have to develop some projects, right? So we are also developing a project on this one. If you go and try to see that slide, we have here what is this project on NLU, NLP. As part of that one, we are going to develop a chatbot project. We are going to develop it. I'm starting from the basics. I'm starting. Then finally, we are going to use the module called as RASA module. We are going to use it. What is the module? RASA module. We are going to use it. Using that RASA module, we are going to develop a chatbot. The chatbot will be looks like similar to here whatever I am showing here. Even we are going to interact with our database. Directly with database are going to interact, and we are going to develop this kind of chatbot. We are going to develop it. You ask the questions, it go and try to hit the database and give the answers to you. It will give the answers to you. That's what the chatbot, what we are trying to develop here. Am I clear? Okay. So overall, what I want to say is the 7th level and 8th level both are talking about one thing, NLU and NLP. NLU and NLP. 7th level is about the theory and basic foundation. 8th level is about the projects on NLU and NLP. That is the 7th and 8th. Now, 4th level is what? Machine learning. 5th and 6th levels are what? Deep learning. 7th and 8th level is what? NLU, NLP. Once you complete these all things, then you are called as data scientist. Data scientist. That's how the projects are available. I hope I am clear with the different levels of training, whatever I am offering. What is the purpose of each level? End of that one, what role you are going to do in the industry? I am clear about that, right? Today, if you want to validate the cross validations, you can go to the Naukri with 3 years of experience. What is job description they are expecting? Those all things are covered in my syllabus or not. You can validate it. There is a cross validation. We prepared, as for the industry, we prepared the material, we prepared it. And all the materials already available, Jupyter notebooks, everything is available. You need not write any single word in my class. And also for each class, you can observe in the same notebook.
plus salary for data scientist.
Now, if you see in the bottom, now we completed all the 8 levels we completed. Now let us go for some general information. The regular batch will start from tomorrow. What is it tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Wednesday. Now, what is the date it is? 12th, 13th it is. So it starts from 13th March 2019 IST. Timings is 9 a.m. IST at the rate of this is CST, right? I think it will be 9:30. So it is 10:30 p.m. So it is 10:30 p.m. Where is the slide? Okay. It is what? 10:30 p.m. CST. And course duration is 3 months, per day 3 hours. I mean, 3 hours is optional, sir. 1 hour class is mandatory. 2 hours lab is in your own time, you can do it. I recommend if you have time, sit in the lab and try to do it. That's what recommendation. But there are working people are available. It may not be possible for them to sit here and practice it. That is up to them. They can practice lab in own hours. But 1 hour class we are going to spend every day. And certification also we are going to provide from our website called as Data Hexa. In the Data Hexa is the platform we developed for the generic study. I mean to say self-study. Without my attention or my presence, you can go and you can learn the things. If you go for data science with Python, okay, let us see here. You can pay this much of amount here. You can pay this much of amount here, and you can learn your own self-learning. It is called as. We have the videos, we have the materials, we have the exams. Once you completed this training, let's see here about the faculty, what is data science, all the things we given at the end. Quiz is available. Like that, exams we organized it. You can see the summary stats here. What are the things I am trying to offer here? Overview. How many videos are available? 161. How many exams are there? 20. And total duration is 80 hours of the duration we have. Number of students registered is 2,113. Great count. That many students registered and learned from this. This is only self-learning course, remember. Now we came here for the live training. Live training will have all the benefits of the self-learning. We are also going to get these videos. Plus live class will be there. That is extra. For that, you are paying some amount extra you are paying. Because I am spending my energy here. I am sitting, I am spending my time here. That's what you are paying extra. Are you getting my point? Okay, that is about the course content and certification and duration. I think I explained better. All the 3 rules I explained it. If you have any questions, you can reach me. My number, I think I hope you people have it. If you know, if do not have, this is what my number 9573707079. You can ping me in the WhatsApp. No calls, please. Only WhatsApp is recommended. No direct calls. Time being. Any fee related, any administration related, please contact the HR. Technical queries, we have it. You can ping me in the WhatsApp. I will answer those things. Am I clear? Thanks, folks. We'll meet as per the schedule. Tomorrow we are going to meet it. Same time, tomorrow we'll meet and we'll continue with the regular classes. Any questions, Bharati?
I would like to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
Do you have the class only in the morning or in the evening as well?
Right.
Because it's very difficult for me to join in the morning call.
Right. I'm also working, so we do not have any evening classes, any weekend batches. Only we have the batches morning 7 a.m. IST, 8 a.m. IST, 9 a.m. IST. 3 batches I have it. All 3 batches are data science batches only.
What are the batches? Can you please come again?
Yeah, I have 3 batches. I said I have 3 batches.
Okay.
Let me type here so that no communication gap. I have 3
Okay.
batches.
Okay.
All are DS batches only. Okay, timings is 7 a.m. IST is one batch. Okay, second batch is 8 a.m. IST is one batch. Third batch, what we are starting new is 9 a.m. IST. However, each batch is in different levels they are. Now you cannot attend the 7 a.m. IST because they are doing the level 2, they are doing it. And these people are now at this point of time, they are doing the level 4, they are doing it. Level 4 is nothing but machine learning. Level 2 is nothing but what is this? Advanced Python, they are doing it. And 9 a.m. IST is the one which is fresh batch. Am I clear?
Yeah.
This is what the possibilities. You translate these timings as per your country, and you have to come. You have to adjust your timings as per the slots. And we have no limitations, sir. If you want to complete quickly your course, you can attend parallelly. Also, you can attend. Mostly, you'll be able to understand it, so that you can be able to complete the course within 1 month or 1.5 months or 2 months. You're able to complete it. You are too fast learner. You can go for the videos. You can complete within 1 month. Also, you can complete it. Okay, that all depends on you. All the materials are ready, videos are ready, everything is ready. How many hours are you going to spend, that decides your course duration. And I have no limitations. You can attend multiple times also, you can attend. Let's say one time you attended, but it's not up to mark. You want to listen one more time to get the best clarity. You can attend. Up to 1 year, we have no limitations. Anytime you can come and you can attend it. Any batch. All freedoms we are giving it. Thank you. Thanks for attending the class. We'll meet tomorrow.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
The data science market around